guys, I'm Mehak Nar and this is Praveena and we are from Body Pro Coach. We are super excited to announce our collaboration with
Inja Wellness.
Yes. So they have some really super products. Today
Yes.
we have is the Inja Collagen Pro
And
that's Inja Fit Collagen.
Collagen has a lot of health benefit. One of the ones are going to be
So it helps you to repair your skin that makes you look beautiful.
at the same time it helps you to recover from the training that you do. So specifically it goes towards recovering the muscles, at the same time recovering your tendons, cartilages and ligaments that you get ready for the next workout.
It also helps you for your great gut health. So we highly recommend this product. Please log on to their website, that's www.injawellness.com.
Alright guys, please use our code, that's BPC.
so that you can get amazing discounts on the sale.
Alright, we're looking forward to see you next time. Thank you so much for tuning in.
Thank you.